What is the EB-5 policy manual update regarding return on investment? Attorney Mark Ivener explains that. Relating to returns, when somebody makes an investment, they can get a return on the capital that they have invested in. Most of these investments up until now are $500,000 investments in high employment areas. Investors also pay an administrative fee for the regional center, generally in the neighborhood of $40,000 to $60,000. Say on average $50,000. So there are two payments, one for the $500,000 and one for about $50,000. The $500,000 was the actual invested amount. There are two types of projects. There is a loan project and an equity project. Most projects are loan projects, meaning that the investor is paid a certain percentage in a loan fund. It could be 0.5% a year. It could be 1% a year, generally no more. Therefore, it is a very little amount that some pay quarterly or yearly, and that interest payment is a return on investment. There cannot be any demand to return some portion of the $500,000, even after obtaining conditional permanent residence. You cannot get your money back until you have your permanent green card. The conditional permanent residence is good for 2 years, and at the end of the 2 years, you apply or the investor applies to get a permanent green card. Once the permanent green card is approved, then they can get their money back. If it is a loan, there is a certain term on the loan, about 6 years, for example. If 6 years has already passed before they get the permanent green card, they have to wait until they get their permanent green card to be paid. Learn more about the EB-5 Investor Green Card Program. Schedule a free consultation with EB-5 Green Card attorney Mark Ivener today, or visit www.eb5investorgreencard.com.